Hi friends, this video shows how to enable and use 5G. First let me go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down, tap on general management. Tap on reset. Go down, tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap here. Tap on this reset settings button. Enter Srilock password. Tap on done. Then tap on this reset button. Here first we need to reset all 5G network settings and remove all wrong settings. That is what I am going to do. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings including 5G settings. That's all. Tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. Done. Now I have removed all wrong 5G settings. Next I am going to configure 5G. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections, tap here. Tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here you can see three options. Select first option 5G preferred. Select it. Then tap on network operators. Here we have to enable this option. Select automatically. Enable it. Go back. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. If you want to use voice over 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in areas where other networks are not available, enable this option, allow 2G service. Go back. Then tap on data usage. Here enable this mobile data. Done. After that you can check your 5G. 5G should work. So this way we can enable and use 5G. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.